Welcome to another very exciting day here at Willow, Brook, Apiary and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy honey. On today's video, we're going to check out our native pollinator box. As you can see, we are in full sun. It's nice and warm. We're going to check and see if the native pollinators made it through. This particular box was set up and filled with orchard mason bees. And we're going to see if they made it through the winter and are coming out with this nice warm spring sun. I don't know how close they'll let me get or how well you can see it. However, they are indeed coming and going. The entrance closest to the entrance, the eggs laid closest to the entrance, are the male bees, and further back, deeper in, would be the female bees. I don't know how to tell the difference between a male and a female. I'm not an entomologist. But it does appear they have made it through the winter and are hatching out. They'll be flying around looking for new sources of nectar and pollen, mating with the males. The queens will come back in and lay fresh eggs in these tubes. And we'll keep this native pollinator cycle churning. From Willow, Brook, Apiary and Homestead, wishing you guys a great day today. Happy bees, healthy honey, and happy homesteading. God bless.